Thoughts?
Yeah, those are my thoughts.
No mincho.
Yeah, no, and it was beyond me. I was expecting Mamelodi Sundowns to be Mamelodi Sundowns. Mare, let's give credit to Kevin Hunt. I think we saw the game plan from the first minute. The only thing that Kevin Hunt did was to frustrate Mamelodi Sundowns. And whatever opportunity Stellenbosch would get, they would try to penetrate. That is where now the problem is. Hey, no, I expected Mamelodi Sundowns to close the gap.
So level
To open the gap, actually.
to open the gap.
Yeah. But hey, I mean, let's give credit to Stellenbosch. I mean, they managed to play a great game. They frustrated Mamelodi Sundowns, which is something we all saw. I mean, Mamelodi Sundowns was playing most of the time in their half, then into the half year Stellenbosch. First half, second half, it was the same thing. Kevin Hunt came with the same game plan, and he made sure he's executing that game plan. And it shows, or now we can see with the results, or the game plan actually worked for him. Yeah.
Okay, sharp. So feel like I diela Spanaman.
I mean, we cannot allow Orlando Pirates to beat us again like they did. Yeah, they didn't beat us, they hammered us. But now, the boys are back. My boys are back. Most of the boys that never go injuring, they are back. So I'm pretty much confident where it's going to be a beautiful game. So I'm confident I'm going to win the game. But even if I don't win the game, it might be a draw. But Mamelodi Sundowns needs to go back to the drawing board because they still have to go to Mhlatus and face Richards Bay. They need to go to the old Peter Mokaba Stadium to go face Polokwane City. Those are not going to be easy games because you know how small teams will perform when it comes to big teams. But other than that, congratulations to Stellenbosch. A win that I didn't want, but it happened, and there's nothing we can do.
Sharp.